Alright, hey guys, welcome back to another Steam tutorial, and today I'm going to teach you how to actually show the URL of your Steam app. So this is the one that you download to your PC, not the one that you use, let's say, through Google Chrome or anything like that. But this is the actual thing that you download to your PC. I'm going to show you how to actually show the URLs at the top right here under the store, library, community, and your profile, tabs. So to do this, it's very easy. You go to View, top left, and then you go to Settings all the way at the bottom. You go on Interface, which is the fourth one down, and you're going to want to make sure this is checked off. It's called Display Web Address Bars when available. Click that, press OK, and as you can see, all of a sudden you have the URLs. And why this is good, especially if you want to copy URLs of like upcoming games and stuff like that, or save the games if you don't like to, put stuff on the wish list. Go crazy, do whatever you want, but whenever you click on the game, like say for example this one, let's click on the game itself. Let's go right over here. Yes, get in there. As you can see, you have the URL, you can copy it and go from there. That's how you do it. Make sure you go on View, Settings, and make sure this is checked off. Display web bars when available. All right, I'll see you in the next one.